Hello everyone, I am Sagar and today we are going to solve the LeetCode question, and that is minimum length of string after deleting similar ends. So question says that given a string S consisting only characters A, B and C, you are asked to apply the following algorithm on string any number of times, and the algorithms are uh, pick a non-empty prefix from the string S where all the characters in the prefix are equal, and the second algorithm is like pick a non-empty suffix from a string S where all the characters in the suffix are equal, and the third is like the prefix and suffix should not be intersect at any index, and the fourth is the characters from the suffix and prefix and suffix must be same, and the fourth delete both prefix and suffix. Return the minimum length of S after performing the above operations any number of times. Possibly return 0. So let me explain you this question with this example. Example number 3. So first of all, uh, there are three conditions. First, prefix. There should be some prefix and there should be some suffix. And the characters in suffix and characters in prefix should be same. If they are same, then we can discard these two. For example, if we have A, B, C, A, and A, you can see that A in suffix, prefix, and this A in suffix, this sector are same. So we can discard A and this from this string. So our answer will be B, C. That is of length 2. So this is what we have to do. So let me explain you with this example. So in this example, we are given a string equal to A, B, C, C, A, then double B, then A. So this is a string that we have given, and we have to apply this operation on this string. So we're at index 0, and this is J. Now you can see that this A is similar to this A, so we can discard this. Then this B is similar to this B, so we'll discard this. Then you can see that C is not equal to A, so we cannot discard this. So our answer is going to be length 3, that is CCA. So this is what you can see that in output is CCA, length of 3. So this is what we have to do. So let me tell you the approach. So approach is very simple. We are going to follow two pointer approach. I will be at the index 0 and J will be at the index n minus 1. N is going and n is our length of our string. And we are going to iterate run a for loop that is going to run from I less than j, and in this while loop there is going to be some uh, logical approach. So let me tell you how to code this. So first of all, I will declare I, that is going to be 0, and j, that's going to point the last index of our string, that is string dot length minus 1, and there is n, which is length of our string. Then now we have to run a while loop, and the condition should be I less than j. And in this condition, in this while loop, I will make a one more variable, that is I1, which is going to our initial I, and there is j1, that is going to be our initial j. Now first we have to check I plus 1 should be less than n, because for example, let me explain you this logic. So if our string is B, and you are at index of 0 1 2 3 4, okay, and you are trying to access the next index which is not available, so this is going to throw error for sure, so we don't have to do this. So that's what we are doing here. We're just checking that is it available or not. If we are at index last index, then it is not going to return true, and this should be less than n, and our Si should be less than I plus 1. So if both conditions are true, then we are going to increase our I by plus plus, and the same condition for, so this should be while loop, and the same goes with suffix j minus 1 should be greater than 0 and j minus sj minus 1 is if equal to j, then we are going to decrease rj. After doing this, if I pass j and si equal to sj, that's when we can discard every element of that string and we're going to return the length 0. And if it is not the case, then if si is not equal to sj, then we are going to return the j1 minus i1 plus 1. And if while loop ends, and we will check if I equal to j, that's mean there is only one element in our string, and that is going to be our answer of length 1. You return 1. If it is not the case, then we are going to return 0. So let me run this code. So there is some error. So let me check it. So this was the error. So you can see that it is compiling, and now I'm going to submit it. So there is some error. I0 length 0. Okay. Okay. IG. Okay. Oh shit. So we have to increase our I plus plus and J minus minus. Now I'm going to run this. Now you can see that our code is working fine. So let me discuss the time complexity and space complexity for this approach. So time complexity for this approach is going to be big of n because we are iterating over our string, and the space complexity should be big of 1 because we are not using any extra spaces here. So this was all about today's question. Thank you.